Sometimes we'll have fractions or mixed numbers where the denominator does not scale up to 100 evenly, and we need to look at another method of doing this. We could always just do the long division. Take 7 divided by 12. We're going to need to involve a decimal point and at least one 0 here, and then we can just divide. We'll use the standard algorithm of divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, and then repeat. So we'll divide 70 divided by 12. Well, I know that 5 times 12 is 60, so 6 times 12 would be 72. That's too much, so we'll take 5. So 7 is not divisible by 12, so I can put a 0 here, and I can put a 5 here, and then after dividing, I'll multiply. 5 times 10 is 50, and 5 times 2 is 10, so 50 and 10 is 60. So I've multiplied. Now I'll subtract. All right. Now I'll bring down. So I have to add a 0 here and bring it down. 12 goes into 100. Well, I know 12, let's see, 12 times 8 is 96. So that's going to work. So 8 times 12 would be 96. All right. 8 times 10 is 80. 8 times 2 is 16. 80 plus 16 is 96. A 4, I'll bring down another 0. 12 goes into 40 3 times. All right, 3 times 12 is 36. Subtract, I'm going to get a 4. This is going to keep happening, so these are going to be 3's forever. So if I want to look at this as a percentage now, I can know that this is going to be 58.3 repeating percent for 7/12. Now when we look at 1 and 2/7, we know that it's already greater than 1, so in terms of the percentage, we're going to have 100 something percent. And now we just have to figure out what 2/7 is, and we'll go through the same logic. We'll take 2 divided by 7. All right, 2 and 7, no times. 7 goes into 20 twice, that's 14. Subtract, add a 0, bring it down. 8 times 7 is 56. 4, bring another 0, bring it down. 7 times 5 is 35. I'm starting to see a pattern here. 7 times 7 is 49. It's going to keep going here. 7 goes into 10 once. 4. And I just want you to watch this next one. Because now I'm at a 20, and 7 goes into 20 2 times. That's 14. It's going to subtract and give me a 6. Now I have a 6, and I'm back here again. 20, 14, 6. So this is going to keep repeating. 142,857, 142,857, 142,857. So we didn't really need to go that far, but I just like that decimal. The idea here is that we're looking at 28.6% if we want to round up here. So 28.6%, that's just the 2/7 piece. We need to add on to the 1, so that would be 128 point. And if you wanted to do 57%, you could throw that in too.